If you suddenly lost the ability to burp, your life would become a walking disaster. Since the gas has no exit, every sip of soda or bite of food would turn your stomach into an overinflated balloon. You'd look like you swallowed Peter Griffin just by drinking a glass of water. The air would be trapped so tightly in your chest that it creates a violent gurgling sound, loud enough for people in the next room to hear. Your stomach would feel like a drum about to burst, making every step you take feel like you're carrying a heavy medicine ball. Eventually, the pressure gets so high that your body has to find a back door exit. This leads to a non-stop jet-powered stream of flatulence that could probably launch you into orbit.